I am in California right now. I'm in a hotel room waiting for my mom to get here. I just flew in from New York, took the 6 a.m. flight, literally just had like 3 cups of coffee downstairs. The guy just kept filling my cup up, and normally I only have 1 because I'm already like naturally hyper. I am in California to go apartment hunting. Pause for dramatic effect. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing here. I was born and raised in Southern California. It was my home for forever until I moved away after college. I have been trying to get back to California. I honestly just miss it. I miss that there's no seasons. I miss that it's always sunny and shiny and bright. And I've been wanting to find my way back to Southern California for a really long time. A few vlogs ago, I let you guys know that our lease is going to be up at our New York apartment, and you know they were trying to raise our rent like crazy amounts, and I just thought, you know what, I might move out of that apartment complex and move back down to Financial District where me and Bart really like. And I thought, well, if I'm gonna spend, you know, a lot of money moving to downtown, why don't I just move across country? Why not? Like, anything's possible. So yeah, so as soon as my mom gets here, we are gonna go look at apartments. Of course, I'm gonna take you guys with me, kind of see what's out there in California, see what our budget has to offer here as opposed to New York. Yeah, let's go look at apartments. What do you guys think? Am I crazy? I honestly don't know, you guys. I don't know. I'm like freaking out, but I'm looking out this window over here and there's all these palm trees. Just so sunny and bright, and it's not like that in New York right now. Ooh. Oh, goodness. Already much bigger than the New York one. So this is a 2-bedroom, guys. This is just a model unit. Ooh, I like these windows. Ooh, this is the biggest closet I've ever seen. That's a nice big bathroom. Wow, that's huge.
This is nice.
Oh yeah, for my luggage.
Mm-hmm. You come home from a trip.
Put it all up there. That's nice. But this kitchen, this is
very functional,
huge. Yeah.
Everything you need is there.
Look at how this cabinet space. This is a lot.
A good sized fridge.
Dishwasher. Yeah. I don't know what that thing is, but okay. Big cabinets. I doubt there's an ice maker. Oh, there is. Oh, don't judge a book by its cover. There's an ice maker, Mom.
Oh, I love that. That's a really cool feature.
Mom's my helper.
I'm the note taker.
You're the note taker. Mom, you wave just like me. Okay, what do you think? I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like that. I feel like I'm in a hotel with that thing. Okay, but yeah. This isn't the actual one because I told them I wouldn't want like a courtyard view. So this is just a sample. Thanks, Mom. I don't remember which way. So this is a very beachy, vibey apartment complex. Like the hallways are like open. Just heard somebody's dog. It's definitely not like New York where everything's enclosed. It couldn't be open like this because it snows. But do you see this? Do you see this? This is sunshine. This is sunshine. All right, number 2. Get you guys This is a 1 bedroom. Hi, Mom. So this is a little bit funky. The kitchen is like slanted. Not sure how I feel about that. Woo, the bathroom's a lot smaller. It's like the exact same size as New York. And here is the bedroom. This is the model one, so the light doesn't work. I love the mirrors on there. I don't have that in New York. I mean, this kitchen could work. It's better than my kitchen in New York.
Yeah.
I don't even have an island. I had to buy one. So, this could still work. It's just small. I'm putting you in there for scale, Mom. All right. I kind of like maybe possibility of having a balcony. So in this apartment complex, I wanted to look at 2 model units. I wanted to look at a 2-bedroom and a 1-bedroom. Both are in my budget. I think if I went with this apartment complex, I would definitely get a 2-bedroom because this one bedroom's looking a little, well, I don't know, I can't get a good feel because it's so dark in here. So now let's go to another apartment building now that we've seen 2 units here. You're fine. Yeah, it's always possible.
We don't actually, so you would think that there was a corner of there'd be windows there, there actually isn't. And so it's the same, all the windows either south facing as we are now or north facing. So more light is more if you go up. So if you're on the second or third floor, so you're higher up. But then that would mean
Washer dryer.
So, you possibly have higher floors, one day.
Yes, absolutely, which is definitely common, yeah, and it is lighter.
Carpet. I haven't seen carpet in a minute. Nice big walk-in closet. This is nice here. I kind of like these. I like the stripes. I haven't been on carpet in so long, you guys. Do you guys have carpet? Every apartment I've lived in for the past few years just has wood flooring or fake wood flooring. We just walked into this 2-bedroom and I'm like in love. I love the layout of this apartment. This is just, it's a really, really cool layout when you walk in. So that is the front door. And then you've got this beautiful big kitchen. Washer dryer, a must. A little linen closet there. And so front door. And then you have the big living room right here when you walk in. That's the master bedroom. That's the guest bedroom. 2 bathrooms, so 1 bathroom over here. Mom, I found you! 1 guest bedroom here. Big closet with mirrors. I love that. You can see what you're wearing. Get yourself ready. Those again. This is a nice big closet. Just like a random storage closet. So cool. Now the bathrooms aren't that nice, you guys. Like they're okay. Like nothing special here. All right, and then I'll show you guys this nice, definitely a nice big balcony, which is cool. And this is the master bedroom. So pretty big here. And then we've got the closet and a bathroom. Here's the sink. No tub, and Franny needs a tub for his baths. Another big walk-in closet. I love the layout of this apartment. It's really big and open and bright. A little bit above our budget, so not sure, but yeah, this one's cool. This one's really cool. Still have a few more to look at, so just gotta keep this one in our heads. Here's the front door, guys. Immediately kitchen to the side, living room, dining nook, washer dryer, little hallway closet, bathroom, walk-in closet. Oh, I don't like that, but I can live with it. And bedroom. Look how weird this is, guys. No closet in the bedroom. The closet is right there. And then look at this huge bathroom. Look how far that goes in. You could literally stick a body in there. Wow, this is huge. Look at this. This is so big. Is this open? Oh yeah, oh gosh, okay. And balcony. Do you guys hear that? Exactly. There's no noise. There's like, I hardly hear anything. All I hear is the breeze and palm trees. I'm in love. Kitchen. Big cabinets. Is there an ice maker? Yes. This is nice. Oh my gosh, I love this. Dinner, but this is like amazing. We came to Killer Shrimp and this is one of my favorite restaurants. I'm super healthy in California. I'm like living that health life. What'd you guys think? Which one is your favorite? I think I'm leaning towards the last two. Definitely apartment 6 that I saw, and I think it was 5. The really big one with like the big area. The one with the washer dryer that was like flat, like next to each other, and it had that big like dining nook like right when you walked in. I loved that one and I loved the last one too, and they're in really, really good locations. Yeah, I don't know. It's so bittersweet. I'm still on the fence. Should I move to California? And it would probably honestly only be temporary because Bart, when he gets back next year, he still has a job in New York City. So I might be packing up and coming right back. I still have to talk it over with Bart a little bit more and really make the decision. But like, I have to make the decision probably within the next few days because I have to let this apartment complex know, I have to give them like 30 days notice, and then I have to secure an apartment in California, secure movers, a lot will go into this if I go through with it. It's like, will I actually do it? Will I pack everything up and go to Cali? Do you guys want to see me vlogging in the sunshine year round? No, it does rain sometimes there. I'm like 95% sure I'm gonna move. There's that 5% where I'm still kind of on the fence. It's very bittersweet. I have loved living in New York City. New York City has been so much fun. New York City has its pros and it has its cons, as does, Los Angeles, California, 405 traffic. Like, I do not miss sitting in traffic in California. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Give me your thoughts. Give me your opinions. Give me some pros and cons. Yeah, leave it all. Put it all out there. Bye, guys.